In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge branch in Bitbucket. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, along with a few tips so you know what to expect at each step. Start by opening Bitbucket in your browser and signing in with your Atlassian account. If your organization uses Google Single Sign-On, click the Google option and choose your account. If you use another login method, that's fine. Just sign in the way you normally do. Make sure your account has permission to write to the repository and merge branches. Once you're in, head to your workspace and open repositories. Choose the repository that contains the branch you want to merge. In the repository sidebar, select branches to see all branches for this project. At the top of the branches view, you can switch between active branches and all branches. Active branches show recent ongoing work. All branches gives you the complete list. Use search or scroll to find the exact branch you plan it to merge. Click the branch name to open its details so you can confirm you've got the right one. In the branch header, click the three-dot menu and choose Merge. This opens the Merge dialog where you'll confirm how the changes are combined and what message will describe the merge. Choose a merge strategy that fits your team's workflow. Merge commit preserves the full history and adds a dedicated merge commit, which is great for auditability. Squash merge condenses all changes from the branch into a single commit on the target branch, keeping history clean and linear. Fast forward may be available when there's no divergent history. It moves the pointer forward without creating a merge commit. If your team has a standard, follow that. Otherwise, merge commit is a safe default for traceability. Enter a clear commit message that summarizes what you're merging. Mention the branch purpose, notable changes, and any ticket references your team uses. Keep it concise but informative so future readers understand the context. You'll also see an option to close the source branch after the merge. Enable this if the branch's work is complete and you want to keep your branch list tidy. Leave it unchecked if you expect to continue using that branch. Review the target branch shown in the dialog. Usually this is the default branch, like main. If Bitbucket detects conflicts or required checks that haven't passed, you'll see warnings here and can address them before proceeding. When everything looks good, click Merge. Bitbucket will process the merge and show a confirmation. That's it, your branch has been merged into the target branch and your changes are now part of the main codebase.